What's going on, SCION fanatics? And today we are going to tint these tail lights. Now, I got these tail lights probably about 1.5 years ago at a junkyard. Found them, liked them, but somebody had sprayed the that spray tint on it, so I had to clear it off. It was a mess. It took a few hours just to take it off, but today I'm finally gonna tint these. So hope you like it. Like, subscribe. Let's get to it. Well guys, there you have it, tinted tail lights. I'm gonna put all the materials that I used, the tint that I used on the tail lights. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!